Very good morning, children. Today we are once again will recall the perimeter topic. Instead of what we have discussed, once again we will recall it. What is perimeter?
The length of a boundary.
Length of a boundary. Length of a boundary of an enclosed figure. Otherwise,
The
you can
length
say
of the
it
boundary
is
of a
listen,
closed figure.
sum of all the sides. Listen, children. Sum of all the sides. Sum means what? Add. Sum of all the sides of an enclosed figure is called perimeter. What is perimeter, children? Sum of all the sides of an enclosed figure is called perimeter. So, perimeter of a triangle?
Three.
No, wrong. Children, if it is an equilateral triangle, listen to me.
No.
If it is an equilateral triangle, then it is 3 into side. If the triangle, all the sides are equal. In the triangle, all the sides are equal? No. Some triangles are not, all the sides are equal. So, what is the formula? The sum of
All the sides.
sum of 3 sides.
All
1,
the sides.
2, 3. Sum of 3
All
sides.
the sides.
3S.
Now 3s will comes under equilateral triangle. Here these are not equal. All the sides are not equal. If all the sides are not equal, then sum of 3 sides. If all the sides equilateral triangle, for equilateral triangle, perimeter equilateral triangle. 3 into side here. Now perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square.
4 into S. 4 into S. Ma'am, you draw triangle. 4 into sides.
4 into S.
4 into S. The perimeter of a square is 4 into S. Up to
4
here we
into
have discussed yesterday. So now what is the next concept? Perimeter of rectangle. Rectangle. Children, what is this? Is it looking like rectangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Rectangle.
Yes, ma'am, it's
Opposite as
rectangle.
1, 2, 3. Everyone should be in here. Okay? Children, in the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Here, what are the sides? Green and blue. Yellow, red are equal. Yellow and red are equal. Green and blue are equal. Yes? So, children, this is called the length and this is called the breadth. Here, we will say length and breadth because we have opposite sides.
Ma'am, is it len and breast?
Breadth. Wait, I will write down. Children, after drawing the shape, what we should do first step?
We should write A, B,
We should
C.
write ABCD. We should write ABCD.
A, B,
D. What is we
D.
should do? After drawing the shape,
Ma'am, I have a doubt,
name
ma'am.
it.
A, B, C, D.
So, children, this is called length and this is called breadth. The short form we will say LENG. Length, breadth, B-R-E-A. Breadth. Is it clear? This is A, B and C, D. DC are length. BC and AD are breadth. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
PC can become CB also, right, ma'am?
Yes, no. I'll explain. Wait. Up to here, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Children, now we are going to find out perimeter of rectangle. Now what we are going to find out? Perimeter of rectangle. So what is the form of perimeter of rectangle? sum of all the sides. So let me add all the sides. Okay. Children, I am writing short form perimeter of rectangle. Short form L plus B plus L plus B. Yes or no? Otherwise, first you write down AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Sum of all the sides. First side AB plus BC plus CD.
Ma'am, ma'am, DA.
DA or AD also okay, no problem, Shaurya. We can say DA or AD. Okay. So what is the AB? Length L. What is BC, children? Breadth.
Breadth.
What is CD?
Length.
What is DA? What is
Breadth.
AD?
Breadth.
Children, now everyone listen carefully. Check it properly. L plus B plus L plus B. Here what is repeating?
LLB.
Two times. So 1, 2. 2L plus 1, 2. 2B. So what is the common here? 2.
4B.
No.
4B.
What is the common? 2.
2.
So 2. Taking out.
2C
Okay, 2 plus S into P.
plus
Children, what is
2.
this? Tell me which property is this?
Rectangle. Addition.
Property.
Repeated addition. Repeated addition.
2, 3. 3. Distributive property. See, here multiplying now 2 into L, 2 into B. 2L plus 2B. Already you learned distributive property. See, 2 into L, 2L, 2 into B, 2B. So which is the common? You have to 2 into L plus B. Now you got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So the perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. 2
Into L plus B.
Now
2 into L plus B.
Close your eyes. Sit right. Close your eyes and sit right. Yes. Now perimeter of rectangle. What is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. What is the formula, children? 2 into L plus B.
Into L plus B.
Yes. Is this clear?
L plus B.
If it is clear, show me the thumb
L
finger.
plus B.
Children, if it is clear, show me the thumb finger. If it is not clear, show me downwards. Arika, where do you have doubt?
Ma'am, I cannot understand the
Okay.
L
Okay,
plus
Arika. Listen.
B.
Listen, Arika. See, children, we are find out the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, no? So what we should do? Sum of all the sides. Perimeter of rectangle means what, children? Sum of all the sides. So sum. Sum means what? Add. So add. Please. 1, 2, 3. No one should unmute. Swarish and Parthu, please be in mute. Sum AB, BC, CD, DA. Add all the sides. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So AB, what is the AB? Length, L. What is the BC? Breadth, B. What is the CD? That is length, L. DA, breadth, B. Now, here you can see, Arika, L plus B plus L plus B. So, L plus B plus L plus B. So, here what is that? You have 2 L's and 2 B's. 2 L's and 2 B's. So, 2 L's, 2L plus 2B. So what is the common here? 2 is the common in both. So take out the 2. 2 into, keep it the bracket, 2 into L plus B. L plus B. So you can see this one which we are used as a distributive property. So 2 into L, see again you will get 2 into L, 2L. Now 2 into B plus 2B. See the same thing what you got it here. In the short form, we have written like this. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B. What is the formula, children? 2 into L plus B. Now, I think, is it clear, Arika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, everyone, open your maths textbook. Open your maths textbook.
Page number.
One second. Children, listen 1 second. I'm sharing my book. Page number 136.
Okay, ma'am.
So this we have discussed now, these all things. Children, yesterday you completed your classwork?
Yes, ma'am. I completed.
Write down.
Completed.
Very good.
No, ma'am. I was traveling, ma'am. That's
Okay,
why I
now
didn't
everyone mute. Mute.
Yes, ma'am. I was also traveling.
2, 3. 3.
Completed.
1. Now write down today's date. 8/10/2021. This is your homework. HW. Who is that? 136. Page number 136. Page number 136. Page number 136.
Okay, ma'am. We open.
Open. Children, yesterday we measured our max textbook. You got 96 centimeters. Yes or no? Yesterday you did. Yes? In the same
Yes,
way.
ma'am.
Listen, no one should unmute. 1, 2, 3. And in the same way, you should measure your pencil box. And you should measure your desk. Children, now we are not at the school. So we are at home. You have a study table at your home. Yes or no? You measure your study table. If it is not there, exam pad is there, no? Exam pad. At least you measure your exam pad. Okay? Your tiffin box. School diary. School diary is, if it is there, okay. Napkin or handkerchief.
School diary is same as our notebook, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Max notebook. So instead of school diary, you measure your max notebook. Instead of desk, if you don't have it, listen, no one should unmute. No one should unmute. Okay? Children, max book, yesterday we measured, it is 96 centimeters. Pencil box, most of you having desk. At home, if you have a study table, measure your study table. If you don't have a study table, just measure your exam pad. You measure your exam pad. And tiffin box, okay. School diary, if it is not there, just you measure your max notebook. What you should measure? Your max notebook. And napkin and handkerchiefs are there at home. Okay? This is your homework. Now turn the page number. Now turn the page number. Ritika, now listen to me. Children, if your pencil box is irregular shape, yesterday I show you how to measure the irregular shape with a leaf. So what you should do, Ritika, now you got it. Okay, take a thread and measure it. Okay. After measuring, you measure the thread with a scale. After that, you should measure with scale. In the same way, activity 2 also do it, children. Homework. This is also homework.
Ma'am, I did first one, but I am doing with bang in my mind. I am not getting how to with thread.
You have to keep the thread. Okay. Measure it. This is also homework, children. Children, yesterday we have discussed, no, how to measure the irregular shape by using the thread. If you have any doubts, once again, yesterday class, once again you check it. The recorded class is sent in WhatsApp group. You can check there. Did you give the homework heading? Okay. Now turn the page number. Children, now turn the page 139. Open page number 139 and write down today's date. Write down today's date. Write down today's date. 139. Open page number 139.
Activity 3, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Activity 3, 139 page number. Now we are going to do this activity. Okay. So children, what is the perimeter? Sum of all the sides. So here, if you start from here, everyone fold your hands. Listen carefully. Children, now if you are starting from the 3 centimeters. Okay. I request all of you fold your hands and sit straight. Fold your hands and sit straight on your cams. Don't scribble on the screen. Don't scribble on the screen. Yes. Listen children, now we are going to start from the 3 centimeters. Okay, write down. Here I don't have sufficient. If you have, see, write down children. 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. How much children? 14.
Ma'am, 19 centimeters.
Count. Yes, very good. What is the answer? 19 centimeters. Very good. Children, in the same way you should do now. Yes, ma'am.
Can we write that in the inside the box, inside
How
the
you will
shape?
write inside the box? Is it look good?
Once again, can you explain, ma'am?
Yeah. Now everyone fold your hands. Sit straight. Sit straight. Listen. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. You should add all the sides. Okay. Start from. Give a point here. Children, you can see blue color point which I mentioned here. If it is not clear, see. You start, draw a line like this. Okay. Draw a line like this because your starting point. This is your starting point. Okay. 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. Add. What is the perimeter formula, children? Sum of all the sides. So sum of all the sides means you should add all the sides. So 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 4 centimeters plus equal to how much?
19
centimeters. So children, what you should do? Give a mark here. Children, when you are finding out the perimeter of the figure, give a mark here. Vimuda, please be in mute. Disturbance is there. You give a mark here, children. Okay, now you should start from where? You should start from?
centimeters.
Yes, you should start from 4 centimeters.
4 centimeters plus 6 centimeters. Can we write direct answer?
Yes, even if you can write direct answer also, you can write down direct answer. But you should know how to do that one. So for 3 questions, you write down the method. Listen to me. For the first 3, you do the method. From the next onwards, you do direct answer. Okay?
Answer is 20, ma'am.
Very good. Now, what is the answer? So, here I don't have a down place. I'm writing up 4 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. So what is the answer now?
20 centimeters.
20 centimeters. Very good. Is it clear now? Children, is it clear?
It's very clear.
Very clear. Very good. In the same way, again, what you should do, you give a mark. Mark here, place.
Is 28 centimeters, ma'am.
Wait.
Ma'am,
Yes,
you should give the mark, ma'am.
yes, if you give a mark, you will get an idea. Okay, I started from here. So I should end
28,
from up to there. Okay? You should mark here. 28.
28 centimeters.
Okay, down one you do as a homework, children, then.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
4 centimeters plus
Plus
4 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 8 centimeters. Yes? Is equal to how much?
28 centimeters.
28 centimeters. Very good. Don't tell the answer. Homework. You should try to do it, no? 28 centimeters. Okay, children, remaining 3 you try to do. Okay? So what is the first step you should do? You should mark your figure. Okay? So miss, that is your starting point. Because there is no A, B, C, D. So you should mark it. Then you will get an idea. Oh, this is the starting position. We should do it. Okay? Now children, everyone open your maths notebook. If you completed, open your maths notebook.
Ma'am, I'm in the hometown, ma'am. That's why I
Okay.
didn't bought the term 2 book.
Okay. No problem. After coming back, you can do it. Children, did you write the index page?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we need to
write in the new book, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You should write in the
No,
index
ma'am,
book.
we didn't.
Ma'am.
Today's date is 7, not 17,
Now
ma'am.
listen to me.
7, ma'am.
Fold your hands. Fold your hands. Listen to me. Yesterday I gave the notes, no? So yesterday date I'm writing. Is it clear?
Ma'am,
Listen to me. Those who are out of station, listen to me. After coming back, you can complete your classwork. Yesterday I have given the notes to you, no? Please, yesterday I gave the notes, no? So let me finish it. Yesterday date only write down. Chapter 13. Perimeter and area. Fast. Yesterday date only. Please write down. As you should write in new notebook. You should write in the new notebook. Yesterday I gave the notes off, so we are writing yesterday date itself. Okay. Now open. Those who did
Ma'am,
this,
ma'am,
listen
this
to
we
me.
need to write. Ma'am, this is you one. Ma'am, we need to write.
Now for your
Ma'am.
children, before the class I started, I told you some instructions. If you have any doubts, message me in the chat box. Continuously don't unmute yourself. Okay, children, now open your maths notebooks. 1 second. Write down this one. Children, up to yesterday we completed perimeter of a square. So the little part is left over. Write down perimeter of rectangle. Complete it.
Madam Ritika, I'm not getting the notes.
Ma'am, we should write in turn to books.
As you should write in term to book.
Ma'am, I'm not having a notebook, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Then what is this? What is this? Wherever you have write down.
Ma'am, I already wrote in the old book. Ma'am, we should write this.
Children, you should write in the new notebook. Write down, copy down. Perimeter of a rectangle. So, perimeter of rectangle. Draw the rectangle figure. Reena, write down. Children, yesterday we completed perimeter of a square. Up to here we finished the remaining part. If you completed, then we can start the classwork remaining. Activity 3. So finish it fast. AB is equal to DC. That is what? Length. BC equal to AD. That is breadth. So perimeter of rectangle ABCD is equal to AB. You want write down first. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Kartika, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, I'm Kartika. Ma'am, I wrote the perimeter and area in term 1 notebook, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Continue.
Can I continue in that book?
Continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Sriram, tell me what is your problem?
Ma'am, completed. Can you show the next one, please?
Wait, Sriram. Let your friends finish it. Children, those who finish, just click on hand raise button. Those who finish, just click on hand raise button. Complete it fast. Finish? Yes, very good. Make it fast, children. Finish, children?
No, ma'am. Can you show the perimeter?
No, ma'am.
Okay, make it fast.
Ma'am, can you show the perimeter of a triangle?
Avisha, already it is shared in the class group yesterday itself. Please check it in it. Now I can't waste your friends' time, no?
Old book, ma'am. I'm continuing.
Yes. Children, last 4 minutes. Please make it fast.
Ma'am, we should join immediately.
No need. I will let you know it.